These repairs were completed in one day with no paint, no parts, and no diminished value. That's right, all of these repairs were done without cutting, grinding, sanding, body filler, or repainting. They were fixed with Paintless Dent Repair by Dent Shop. Hi, I'm Paul from Dent Shop, and we repair damage from door dings, hail damage, deer strikes, and more. Our goal is to repair your vehicle quickly while maintaining the manufacturer's original parts and paint, because the original equipment and materials is always best. By doing this, we can help you avoid losing value on your vehicle, poor fit, finish, and color match, as well as generating a vehicle history report. So before you go to a body shop, check with Dent Shop first to see what we can do for you. And don't forget to ask us about our courtesy loaner car. Faster, smarter, easier. Dent Shop.